Welcome to AI Finder, the channel where we uncover powerful AI tools that help creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs work smarter, not harder. Let me ask you something. What if you could take any ordinary video and turn it into a scroll-stopping, high-converting advertisement in just a few clicks? No complex editing software, no fancy cameras, no professional editing skills. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today, we're making it possible using a tool called Nemo AI, an AI-powered platform that transforms your raw footage into polished professional ads in minutes. Click on Getting Started first, head over to Nemo AI. I've dropped the link in the description so you can try it yourself. For this demo, I'll show you how we turn a smartphone unboxing into an engaging social media ad. Here's what we do. Give your project a name. I'm calling this one Samsung S24 Ultra Unboxing Ad. Choose whether you want to generate the ad instantly or review the AI's script first. Always check the script first. It's like getting a peek into the creative strategy before production starts. Now, select your preferred video length. For this example, I'll go with 30 seconds. But you can easily create longer ads for platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn. Finally, upload your raw footage, unboxing shots, product close-ups, lifestyle clips, whatever you've got. Once you hit generate, the magic begins. This is where Nemo AI shines. In seconds, it delivers a full breakdown of your ad concept. Selling points, storyline structure, recommended visuals, emotional tone, and pacing. It's like having your own creative agency, without the meetings and deadlines. The AI gives you 3 script variations. 1. Hook and hype, fast-paced, attention-grabbing. 2. Feature-focused, showcase SU technical details and benefits. 3. Lifestyle story, creates an emotional connection with the audience. All are professionally written and ready to go. Pick the one that matches your brand style, or test multiple versions to see which works best. Once you choose a script, the AI instantly builds your ad. It syncs the voiceover with your footage, adds dynamic text animations, smooth transitions, and even music that matches the tone. Example from Script 1. Introducing the Samsung S24 Ultra Fast, Ultra Sleek, and built to keep up with your world. Once your video is generated, Nemo Video lets you fully customize it. You can choose the voiceover style you like, whether male, female, American, or other accents. You can also add or edit captions to make your content more engaging. Then, select from different styles to match your video's mood, and even add background music, like relaxed jazz or any other track, to set the perfect tone. Finally, just preview your changes, save, and export your video in one click.
This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but what is its real battery life? I tested the battery with 2 totally different performance hacks. First, max performance. Get 7+ hours with QHD+. Look at that. To get max battery life, you just tap Light Mode. Also, set your display to FHD+. And now you get over 9 hours. Performance or battery life? You get to choose. Ready for your new phone? Shop now.
Example from Script 2. Samsung S24 Ultra powered by the latest Snapdragon engine, with a 120Hz display that makes every swipe smoother than ever. From a raw clip to a ready-to-post ad, all without touching an editing timeline.
The Galaxy S24 is here. Let's get it unboxed right now. The phone looks incredible. That camera system is unreal. Right out of the box, you're getting about 7+ hours of screen on time. But I found a secret setting to really boost it. Go to Performance Profile, then switch from Standard to Light. Then, just change the screen resolution down to FHD+. These 2 simple changes make a huge difference. Now over 9 hours. Buy yours now.
Want to make the most of your footage? Use the same video to create different ads for different audiences. Create short, vertical ads for TikTok and Instagram. Make longer story ads for YouTube and Facebook. Nemo AI makes all this possible without re-editing from scratch. And that's how you can turn any video into a high-performing ad. No editing experience required. Whether you're selling products, promoting services, or running client campaigns, Nemo AI can save you hours while delivering professional results. You can try it for free. Link is in the description. This is AI Finder, helping you find the smartest AI tools for your success. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment and tell me what product you turn into an ad first. See you in the next video with more AI tools, tips, and creative hacks.